Are you like a YouTuber, or do you just play a lot and are really good at the game? Okay. You should be. See? See what I mean? Oh my god. When I played on console, I used to get up to 12 kills a game, but since I switched to PC, I can't do that. Wow. Oh my god. What? 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 Shoot his feet. I'm just kidding. Can I just ask how many wins you have? Oh, okay. Well, there went my question. Oh, letters. It just changed the fact if it comes down to a circle thing. There's someone at that house with balloons. What? Okay, you. There you go. You're a god. Okay, Mikey. Mickey, I don't know. And this person's a god. Y'all are gods. Like, lucky. Woo! Dude, I swear if you win this, bro. Is that bot still in that house over there? Yeah, I think he is too. So, as soon as you kill this person, I think you should get it. Because this person doesn't look bad. It's like 1 minute, like no joke. I just really want to see if he wins or not. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Let's go! Oh my god, bro. Y'all are... Okay, I gotta go. You honestly still remind me of Fearless. I cannot get over the fact of that. Okay, well, bye.